Are you a restaurant owner struggling to create professional videos for your social media? What if you could effortlessly publish stunning videos every single day without hiring expensive freelancers or learning complicated editing software? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how Create Studio can help you easily create professional quality videos in minutes without any editing experience and at an affordable price. Why Create Studio? Because it removes monthly expenses and endless subscriptions. With just a one-time payment of $67, you get lifetime access. Plus, for only $27, you can purchase 5,000 AI credits, enough to create more than 50 amazing AI-powered videos. Want to know more about Create Studio? Click the link below this video. It will take you directly to Create Studio's page where you can explore even more benefits. Let's start by creating a video for your restaurant's tasty burger. First, open the AI Explainer Video Builder. Next, type your prompt like this one. I own a restaurant known for serving mouth-watering burgers. I want a video that highlights my burger as the star, showcasing its irresistible taste, premium ingredients, and perfect preparation. The video should make viewers crave it and convince them that my burger is a must-try. Now enter your restaurant name on the right corner. After that, select your preferred character from the options provided. Then choose suitable background music. After choosing your music, pick an engaging AI voiceover from the available voices.
I'm not interested in age. People who tell me their age are silly.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen.
Life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
Then Create Studio will automatically generate a video script which you can review and edit to perfectly match your needs. Finally, click Generate Project to let Create Studio build your video. This is the final result.
Welcome to Tasty Heaven, your burger paradise, where every bite is bliss. Savor our juicy burgers, made with premium ingredients, crafted to perfection, just for you. Why choose Tasty Heaven? Unmatched flavor in every bite, a burger experience like no other. Craving a delicious burger? Visit us today. Taste the heaven in every bite.
You can edit all aspects of this video easily. To replace images with relevant videos, go to the Media panel and search for footage related to your dish. Alternatively, you can use your own footage that you've shot with your phone or camera. Once you have the videos ready, select the image you want to replace. Click Replace Image with Video, and then select your desired video. Repeat this process for each image you want to update. If you like to hide the 3D characters, you can do it here. Here's the final result.
Welcome to Tasty Heaven, your burger paradise, where every bite is bliss. Savor our juicy burgers, made with premium ingredients, crafted to perfection, just for you. Why choose Tasty Heaven? Unmatched flavor in every bite, a burger experience like no other. Craving a delicious burger? Visit us today. Taste the heaven in every bite.
Using this method, you can easily create individual videos for every item on your restaurant's menu. Now let's quickly create a promotional video for your restaurant's special offer. First, open the AI Explainer Video Builder again. Enter a prompt like this. I own a restaurant, and this Friday, I'm offering a special 20% discount on all fried chicken orders. I need a promotional video that highlights this limited time offer, making it irresistible for customers to visit and enjoy delicious, crispy fried chicken at a great price. Now, select your character from the available options. After that, choose appropriate background music. Then select your preferred AI voiceover from the choices provided. Then Create Studio will automatically create a promotional video script, which you can review and customize before finalizing. Finally, click Generate Project to create your promotional video. This is the final result.
Welcome to Tasty Heaven, your go-to restaurant. This Friday only enjoy 20% off all fried chicken orders. At Tasty Heaven, we serve mouth-watering, crispy fried chicken, made with love using secret spices, perfectly cooked to order. Why choose Tasty Heaven? Fresh ingredients, crispy perfection, and a cozy atmosphere. Your taste buds will thank you. Don't miss out. Visit us this Friday. Grab your 20% discount on all fried chicken. Taste the heaven today.
If you want, you can customize this video further. Now you can create promotional videos for your restaurant whenever you want. No need to hire freelancers anymore. Plus, if these videos don't increase your restaurant's sales, you can request a full refund within 30 days. With Create Studio, restaurant owners can create unlimited professional videos quickly, easily, and affordably. Thanks for watching, and remember to click the link below to check out Create Studio and start creating amazing restaurant videos today. If this video helped you, please give it a like. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll be glad to help.